If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. The powertrain includes rear-wheel drive with a reliable engine driven by an automatic transmission. Find your way easily with the included navigation system. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Treat yourself to a premium sound system. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Heated seats are a desirable comfort feature. Tailor the temperature to your preference and your passengers. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.